Are piranhas truly the bloodthirsty villains of the Amazon, as popular culture often depicts them? Or is there more to these fascinating creatures than meets the eye? Or have we fundamentally misunderstood them, judging them based on sensationalized stories and exaggerated tales? Could it be that their true nature is far more nuanced and complex? For centuries, stories passed down through generations have painted them as ferocious, indiscriminate predators, lurking beneath the murky waters. Tales of their supposed ability to strip animals to the bone in mere seconds have instilled fear and fascination in equal measure. Films and legends, often relying on dramatic license rather than scientific accuracy, have further cemented this terrifying image in the public consciousness. The very name piranha has become synonymous with terror, conjuring images of razor-sharp teeth and insatiable hunger. But is this reputation truly deserved when we consider the full scope of their existence? Or is there a far more complex and intriguing reality hidden beneath the surface of the Amazon's waters, waiting to be discovered? As we embark on this journey into the heart of South America's winding waterways, navigating the intricate network of the Amazon River, we must confront our preconceived notions and ask ourselves a crucial question. Are we truly searching for a bloodthirsty monster, a creature of nightmare? Or are we simply observing an animal, a vital part of its ecosystem, merely trying to survive in a challenging environment? The truth, as it often does in nature, is likely to be far more nuanced and fascinating than the simplistic narratives of fiction. Sensational stories, like the infamous staged encounter orchestrated by Theodore Roosevelt, involving a river deliberately blocked off and filled with starved piranhas, have unfortunately shaped our collective fears and perceptions of these fish for well over a century, perpetuating a distorted image. But to truly understand the piranha, to appreciate its place in the natural world, we must be willing to look beyond the sensationalized legend and delve into the scientific reality. We'll embark on a journey to explore its ancient origins, tracing its evolutionary path through the ages, its complex behavior, examining its social interactions and feeding habits in their natural context, and its vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of the Amazon ecosystem. Understanding its place in the intricate food web. Perhaps, in the end, we'll discover not a villain lurking in the depths as we were led to believe, but a perfectly adapted survivor, a creature honed by evolution to thrive in its unique environment. This is a story of evolution, of the relentless drive for survival, and the delicate balance of life that sustains the incredible biodiversity of the Amazon rainforest and its waterways. So let's dive deep into the world of this iconic fish, challenge our assumptions, and uncover the hidden secrets that lie beneath the surface. To truly understand piranhas, those creatures of myth and legend, we need to look beyond the sensationalized stories. We must visit their home, the very heart of their existence. I'm talking about the vast freshwater rivers and sprawling floodplains of South America, a continent teeming with biodiversity, especially the mighty Amazon, a river system so immense it holds more water than any other on Earth. It's here, in this vibrant ecosystem, that the piranha's story truly begins. These ancient waters are teeming with life, a kaleidoscope of species interacting in a delicate balance. It's a world where every creature, from the smallest insect to the largest fish, constantly fights for survival, adapting and evolving to meet the challenges of their environment. Piranhas aren't a single monolithic species. They represent a diverse group of fishes. In fact, there are dozens of different species, each with its own unique set of traits, behaviors, and ecological roles. The red-bellied piranha, with its fearsome reputation, is undoubtedly the most famous and recognizable of them all. But others, like the imposing black piranha, are significantly larger and tend to live more solitary lives, patrolling their territories with watchful eyes. And then there are those, like the peculiar wimple piranha, that have evolved to feed on scales instead of flesh, a testament to the incredible diversity of feeding strategies within this group. The very name piranha comes from the Tupi language, spoken by indigenous peoples of the Amazon. It roughly translates to toothfish, or, more dramatically, devilfish, a nod to their legendary status as fearsome predators of the Amazon. For the local people who live along the Amazon, piranhas are not just creatures of legend, but a very real part of their daily lives, a constant presence in their world. They are both respected for their power and utilized as a food source, caught and even eaten as part of the local cuisine. Scientifically speaking, piranhas belong to the Serrasalmidae family, a diverse group of fish. Interestingly, they share a common ancestry with the seemingly gentle, fruit-eating pacus, a surprising connection. This evolutionary split beautifully illustrates the incredible adaptability and diversification of life within the Amazonian ecosystem. Over millions of years, piranhas have developed a wide range of diverse strategies and specialized adaptations. All of this to thrive and survive in their challenging and ever-changing world. Their story is a compelling one, a testament to the power of survival, adaptation, and the incredible biodiversity of the Amazon. The piranha's body is built for survival in the river. Its deep, disc-like shape allows for quick, agile movement through murky waters. Their colors range from silvery red to dark black, providing camouflage. But their most famous feature? The teeth. Razor-sharp, triangular, and interlocking like a bear trap. Piranhas replace entire rows of teeth at once, ensuring a constant, lethal bite. The black piranha's bite force, relative to its size, is among the strongest in the animal kingdom, more powerful than a great white shark of equal size. Massive jaw muscles and specialized teeth make them formidable predators and effective defenders. This anatomy allows them to take bites from larger prey and deter attackers. Every aspect of their design is a response to the pressures of their environment. The piranha is a masterclass in evolutionary engineering. It's a creature built to survive where every advantage counts. The myth of the piranha feeding frenzy, a terrifying image of razor-toothed fish devouring anything in their path, schools stripping animals to the bone in seconds, a gruesome spectacle often depicted in popular culture, has captivated imaginations, fueling our fears and shaping our perception of these misunderstood creatures. This image has been amplified by sensationalized media and exaggerated tales. In reality, such frenzies are rare, a far cry from the constant carnage portrayed in movies and stories, and triggered by extreme stress, situations that push these fish to their limits, like being trapped in shrinking pools during the dry season where competition for resources becomes fierce and survival instincts kick in. This is when the aggressive behavior is most likely to be observed. Most of the time, piranhas are cautious omnivores, playing a vital role in their ecosystem, eating fish, contributing to the balance of the aquatic environment, insects, crustaceans, adding variety to their diet and helping to control populations of smaller organisms, and even fruits and seeds, showcasing their adaptability and challenging the notion of them being purely carnivorous. They're opportunistic, not mindless killers, taking advantage of available food sources rather than actively seeking out large prey all the time. Their typical hunting involves ambush, lying in wait for unsuspecting prey to come within striking distance, or quick pursuits demonstrating bursts of speed to capture smaller, more agile targets, often nipping at fins or scales, a less dramatic but more common feeding strategy. Their keen sense of smell, allowing them to detect even the faintest traces of potential food in the water, and sensitivity to vibrations, enabling them to perceive movement and disturbances in their surroundings. Help them locate food, even in murky or dimly lit waters. Group attacks are coordinated, a display of social behavior and efficient hunting tactics, with each fish taking a quick bite, minimizing risk and maximizing efficiency. Before moving away, a strategy that prevents injury and allows for a sustained feeding effort. The idea of constant bloodlust is pure exaggeration, a sensationalized depiction that ignores the complexities of their behavior. Feeding frenzies are survival responses, desperate measures taken under extreme circumstances, not daily routines, a misrepresentation that fuels unwarranted fear. Most days, piranhas are cautious, opportunistic feeders contributing to the health and balance of their environment. Understanding this reality reveals a complex animal, with intricate social structures and adaptable feeding habits. Not a simple monster, but a fascinating creature deserving of respect and understanding. The truth is far more interesting than the myth, revealing a nuanced and ecologically important species. Piranhas are survivors, not villains, playing a crucial role in the delicate balance of their aquatic ecosystems. The Amazon basin, home to piranhas, is a world of constant change. During the wet season, rivers flood forests, creating new habitats rich in food, fruits, seeds, and aquatic life. In the dry season, water recedes, concentrating fish in shrinking pools and increasing competition. Scarcity and stress during this time can trigger aggressive behaviors. Piranhas have adapted by switching food sources and forming schools. Schooling is mainly a defensive strategy, safety in numbers against predators like caimans and river dolphins. Murky blackwater and whitewater rivers provide cover, helping piranhas hide and ambush prey. Their survival is tied to the river's rhythms: flood and drought, abundance and scarcity. The Amazon's dynamic environment has shaped the piranha's resilience and adaptability. Every season brings new challenges and opportunities. Piranhas are perfectly attuned to this ever-changing world. Their lives are a dance with the river itself. Are piranhas dangerous to people? The answer is, rarely. Fatal attacks are almost unheard of despite millions living and swimming in piranha-infested waters. Most bites happen when people disturb nests or handle caught fish. Painful, but not deadly. Risk increases if fish guts are dumped nearby or during the dry season when piranhas are trapped and starving. Locals know when and where it's safe to swim, so serious incidents are rare. The image of piranhas as man-eaters is pure fiction. With respect and caution, humans and piranhas coexist peacefully. Piranhas play a vital role in the Amazon's ecosystem. As scavengers, they clean the river by feeding on weak or dead animals, preventing disease and recycling nutrients. As predators, they help control fish populations, maintaining biodiversity. Without them, the balance of the river could collapse. Piranhas are also prey for larger animals: caimans, dolphins, turtles, and birds. Their energy moves up the food chain, supporting the entire ecosystem. Even their fruit-eating habits help disperse seeds along riverbanks. Far from being destructive, piranhas are essential to the health of their world. They are predators, prey, cleaners, and gardeners, all in one. The Amazon depends on them. Piranhas are full of surprises. Some species can bark, producing sounds by vibrating their swim bladders to communicate aggression or alarm. The wimple piranha specializes in eating scales, a unique survival strategy called lepidophagy. Piranhas have complex social lives, with hierarchies and coordinated behaviors within schools. During breeding, red-bellied piranhas pair up, dig nests, and fiercely guard their eggs, showing unexpected parental care. Their tooth replacement is unusual. They lose and regrow entire rows at once, ensuring a sharp bite at all times. For a short time, a piranha might be toothless on one side, but never defenseless. These adaptations reveal the diversity and ingenuity of the piranha family. They are more than just sharp teeth, they are remarkable survivors. The more we learn, the more fascinating they become. Piranhas are truly extraordinary fish. Our journey has taken us from myth to reality, revealing the piranha as a complex, fascinating animal. The villain label is a product of human imagination, not the fish's true nature. Piranhas are diverse, cautious omnivores, not relentless killers. Their rare feeding frenzies are desperate acts, not daily life. They communicate, care for their young, and play vital roles in their ecosystem. The myth versus reality contrast teaches us to look deeper and replace fear with respect. Next time you hear piranha, think of a dedicated parent or a river cleaner, not a monster. The piranha is a marvel of adaptation, perfectly suited to its world. Its story is one of survival, balance, and misunderstood beauty. The truth is far more fascinating than any legend.